Hey, welcome to the Blue Oval Car Barn, segment 2. We're doing a reveal today on the 4-car barn find from Alabama back in 23. We've got the McLeod family here, Michelle, Justine, and Jim. These are the actual owners, relatives that sold me the car and worked with me on their deal and getting them out of the place. Thank you, Tommy, very much for going down there and doing it for me because I was not in very good shape at the time. And today we're showing them their cars. Like I talked about in episode 1, if you go back and look, you'll see a little more reference to this. The Boss 429, I let go, but the Shelby, the 350, the GT 500 Shelby, the Boss 351, and the Boss 302, we've got to a position to reveal, and they're here today to see what it looks like. So the Boss 351 was complete, but it was really rusty, it was really moldy. It was full of black mold. It was full of mildew. And this car, I had a friend of mine in Hereford, Texas, help me with this car. Thank you very much. And Jason White did this, the majority of the work on this car. I helped him out with a few parts, but it's his handiwork because we were kind of overloaded at the time. Now look, I wasn't so sure how this color scheme was going to work out because it's a white car with a red interior with black stripes. One side of me said, hey, that's going to be cool. One side of me said, that red standard interior may not look right in this car, but man, it worked out, and it really came out well. And I think you're going to be happy with this. I'm going to show them this car right now. Let me not destroy my wife's plant. Here we go. We've had that plant longer than we've had our kids. So this is a 71 Boss 351. They made a little over 1,800 of them. All these are 4-speed. All of them are track lock cars. All of them are solid lifter high performance cars. We're going to open the hood now, and you guys come around and take a look at the engine, see what we've got.
All right. That way.
So we've got a Boss 351 red basic interior, and then we've got the standard Boss 351 power plant. All the Boss 351s were pretty much the same. They were all built for one thing, going stoplight to stoplight as fast as they could. They didn't have many options. This one happens to have power steering, which is good. A lot of them don't. This one's got power brakes. A lot of them don't. But this is exactly what the car looked like whenever your brother found it. Now these cars that we're revealing today all come out of a barn behind the brother's house in Enterprise, Alabama. And over the last 3 years, we've been trying to get them into shape to have them here to show them to them. So, and then we've got a red basic interior, which, like I said, I didn't know how it was going to look, but I think it came out great. I think it works really good with the car.
It's beautiful.
Y'all like it?
I did, yeah.
I love it.
I love it.
And it, you know, your brother had bought seat covers for it, but they had faded and the mice had got to them so bad we couldn't use them. When we got the boxes open, it was like everything. Everything in these cars, the pole barn was opened at the top, so everything in the barn was full of rodents and squirrels and whatever could get in there. So it was kind of a mess. But this one, all the pieces were there. The original Autolite carburetor was there. The exhaust manifolds, the rev limiter, the distributor, the correct radiator, everything was there. And that really makes it fun when you don't have to chase parts for a year to build a car.
Gorgeous.
You like it?
Yeah,
You did a wonderful
looks
job.
great. It looks really good.
Okay, we're going to post a few pictures up here, what it looked like when I found it, and a few pictures of these people the day we found it. And then we're going to move down and look at the last one, okay? Segment 3 coming up. Follow us down the road. Thank you.